Here is another way to put a balloon inside of another balloon. First, you twist the inner balloon like as usual, and you put it in the outer balloon, the bigger balloon. Try to squeeze it in there and blow into the bigger balloon. Stretch it out. Okay, now you got the balloon inside the other balloon. Now you blow up the big balloon by putting your teeth on the small balloon. Now you blow the inner balloon a little bit. Now you blow up the bigger balloon a little bit more. Okay. Now how you tie this is put the big balloon, the inner balloon, all the way inside it, but not to the point where it leaks out. Then you tie them both at the same time. Ta-da!